Hi friends, welcome back to another interesting video. I am Priya Sharma and I am so glad to have you here. Today we are going to play with alcohol inks to create amazing backgrounds and then make beautiful cards from them. So without any further ado, let's get started. One thing to bear in mind is that alcohol inks can leave permanent stains. So always cover your workspace with acetate or plastic sheet and always wear gloves to protect your hands as well. To create our backgrounds, we are using Yupo papers which are specially meant for alcohol inks. These are thin white sheets with a glossy acetate-like finish. I'll be using alcohol inks from Little Birdies and Beyond Inks. We'll also need an alcohol blending solution to get the ink moving. This is nothing but rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. Now let's create some cool backgrounds with these inks. For this, start pouring the inks on the paper. You can drop the ink at any random place and use any colors of your choice. Then pour the alcohol blending solution over it to get the ink moving over the paper. You can also use a blower or a heat gun to move the ink around. As you can see, I was trying to make a flower but I miserably failed at it as I couldn't control the flow of the ink. However, we can still convert this background into a beautiful card. Stay till the end of the video to see how. So let's create 4 backgrounds using these inks. The more you add the alcohol blending solution, the more the ink will move around. The amazing thing about alcohol inks is that every time you get a completely different pattern, and that's what makes it interesting. Finally, our 4 backgrounds are ready and now let's convert them to cards. From here on, the video is quite self-explanatory where I'll be die cutting the alcohol ink backgrounds to create my cards. So I'll leave you with some background music while you watch me make the cards. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Comment below which is your favorite card. Like always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care and bye for now.